Hello. Today we are going to go over some examples of chemical and physical changes. Now, in the video lecture that you saw previously, it discussed what some of the characteristics of chemical and physical changes are. So what you want to do is look at these 6 examples, and then you're going to tell me whether it's a chemical change or a physical change, and give some evidence as to why you think it's one or the other. All right, so let's start with the first video. And I've got a mortar and pestle here. I'm going to place some goldfish crackers into the middle and start crushing them up. So uh, are the goldfish experiencing a physical change or a chemical change? That's what, by crushing them up, is that physical or chemical? Next video, I'm pouring some hydrochloric acid into a flask. And then I'm going to put calcium carbonate, 4 tablets of calcium carbonate, into the flask with the hydrochloric acid. You can see there's a reaction taking place there, lots of bubbling, lots of fizzing. And the same thing, is this chemical or physical? Which change are the calcium carbonate pills going through? Now I have some butane gas. The butane gas is going to be in this torch. Turn the torch on, and I'm burning the butane gas. You can see with lots of oxygen, we get a nice blue flame to the butane gas as it burns. If I cut off the oxygen, it turns into a yellower flame, and that's just because of lack of oxygen. So is that chemical or physical? And what is your evidence that's telling you that? I've got a penny here. I'm filing down the penny. And some people may know that inside of the penny, you have zinc. There's copper on the outside, but zinc on the inside. So by filing it off and exposing that zinc on the inside, is this a chemical change or a physical change? All right, with this one I have my torch again. But in this case, I'm going to be burning the splint. And is the burning of the splint a chemical reaction or a chemical change or a physical change? So which one is happening as I burn the splint and we get all that smoke and the splint starts to disappear as it's burnt? Chemical or physical? And then I believe this is the last one. I've got a beaker full of water that's boiling. And is the boiling water a physical change to the water or a chemical change to the water? You have enough information from the previous videos to tell you whether each of these is chemical or physical and what your evidence and reasoning behind that is. If you have more questions, you can come see your teacher for some answers. Thank you very much.